Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Axeemyoga. This is me, Azim. I am your fitness friend. We're going to start a new series by the name of Be Your Own Therapist to guide you to have a good body awareness. For example, if you're having any body stiff muscle, so how the yoga can help you to fix them by providing a good oxygen and have a good flow on a particular muscles. So I assure you, if you will watch a complete video and perform that I'll guide you, you will feel the difference. In this series, we are more focusing on the sedentary lifestyle that maximum of us are having these days. For example, we sit on a one chair or a sofa all the time for long hours at workplace, watching television, studying, or using mobile phone. It can create a lot of problem. Create a problem regarding your physical health and a lot of mind health disorder as well. There are a number of problems that we get and we face due to improper position. But for example, if we're having a very good posture, right, but we are sitting for a long time, it still create a stress on the lumbar point, on a lower back, right? It can also make the hip tired. There is no blood flow over the hamstring muscles as well. So what actually we need to do if we feel that the muscles are stiffened and muscles are getting weak and they don't have oxygen, so what actually we can do? So in this video I will tell you a very simple moves, a very simple yoga poses that you will actually love them when you will practice that, right? So for example, there have been 2 hours and you're sitting on the same positions. First of all, stand up and then sit. Again, stand up and sit. Do it with me for around 10 times. Stand, sit. When you stand, inhale, and when you sit, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 3 more times. Perfect. 1 more time. And then stand straight. You'll feel that your body will be nicely warmed up. Even this is suggested that after every 2 to 3 hours you have to move, you have to walk, no matter if you walk for a minute as well, right? Now the second move that we're going to perform, that is a half forward fold, same like a ruku position, like this position. I will definitely suggest you, if you're working 9 to 5 and you will get the namaz of Zohar and Asr, so must offer that. You will get a lot of physical and mental health benefit, right? So apart from that, we'll practice the pose, which is the half forward fold. This is very simple one. You have to practice the mountain position. If you haven't watched my video on mountain pose, I will give the link on the description box and do watch it. So on a mountain position, standing, breathe in and breathe out while you going forward towards the half forward fold. Make sure your back should be nicely straight. Just lean forward. You will get a nice stretch over your hamstring. Alright? So do it 5 to 7 times with me. Breathe in and breathe out. Forward bend. Breathe in. Breath out. Keep doing. 2 more times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. When there is a last turn, just hold that position, little bit lean forward, have a 3 to 5 breathing on that position. So you'll feel the nice stretch over your lower back, over your hamstring, which is very good if your work is to sit for a long hours. Keep breathing. Perfect. Slowly get back by inhaling with the beautiful Smile. Perfect. Now we are going to do a deep forward fold, or you can say that we'll touch the toes or a floor, right? Let's see what actually we can do. So in that position, in that pose, we'll try to make the back straight. If your spine will be a little rounded, it's alright, right? So inhale and exhale, go deep, deep, nicely and gently, and touch your toes and touch your floor, and just relax your upper body toward the floor and breathe in. Just lean forward a little bit and take a 7 to 10 breath. Exhale, breathe in, breath out, breathe in, breath out. 3 more breaths. Relax your neck, relax your hands. Get back while taking a breath in with a beautiful smile. So I'm having fun, I'm feeling very good. My lower back is relaxed, hamstrings are relaxed. We have given them enough oxygen, the bloods are flowing, and I'm sure if you did it with me, so definitely you felt the difference. Again, I will suggest you after every 1 to 2 hours, just get up, walk for a minute, and drink water, use washroom if you need to. You'll feel the difference. So keep doing whenever you're required and your muscles need it, and share it to your friends and family so they could improve their health as well. If you do like the video, so hit the like button, and if you're new in my channel, so don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.